Inspiration has arrived, opening the door to a whole new level of creative freedom. What would you capture if you had a powerful camera that could fit right in your pocket? Let me know in the comments below. Before we dive in, meet the all-new DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, a compact creator-focused camera designed to deliver an entirely new standard of image quality and versatility. Built around an advanced dual camera system, it gives creators more ways than ever to tell compelling stories, making cinematic content easier to achieve no matter where inspiration strikes. At the heart of the experience is an impressive 17-stop dynamic range, allowing the camera to preserve remarkable detail across both bright highlights and deep shadows. Whether you're filming dramatic landscapes or challenging lighting conditions, every frame is packed with depth and realism. The new DJI K2 Professional Color Mode takes things even further, effortlessly handling scenes with strong contrast and difficult backlighting, while producing rich colors, natural tones, and stunning detail with minimal effort. Every beam of light becomes part of the narrative, helping your subject stand out in a truly cinematic way. And when the action calls for something more dramatic, 4K recording at 240 frames per second captures incredibly smooth slow-motion footage, revealing details that would otherwise go unnoticed and transforming ordinary moments into visually striking scenes. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Osmo Pocket 4P remains incredibly portable, ready to travel anywhere your creativity leads. Its intuitive flip screen makes it easier than ever to frame shots and capture memorable moments instantly, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to create. Tracking performance is another area where this camera shines. Equipped with the latest ActiveTrack 8.0 technology, it intelligently follows subjects with outstanding accuracy, allowing you to focus on composition and storytelling rather than constantly adjusting the camera. Even in busy environments filled with distractions, your subject remains sharp, centered, and consistently tracked. To complement that, the signature 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization delivers smooth, professional-looking footage, keeping your shot steady even while you're walking or moving through dynamic environments. Convenience is built into every aspect of the experience. With 103 gigabytes of internal storage, you can simply power on the device and start recording immediately without worrying about additional setup or accessories. From warm golden hour sunsets to dazzling city lights after dark, the Osmo Pocket 4P captures bright, detailed, and clean footage even in challenging low-light situations. As night takes over, its impressive low-light performance continues to deliver exceptional results, helping creators capture scenes with clarity and confidence. Beyond video, the camera also supports ultra-high-resolution photography, allowing you to preserve important moments in stunning detail. Features like live photos bring still images to life, while simultaneous front and rear camera recording unlocks even more creative possibilities, giving creators greater flexibility to tell their stories from multiple perspectives at once. Whether you're documenting everyday adventures, creating professional content, or simply capturing life's most memorable moments, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is designed to help transform your vision into something extraordinary. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.